Welcome to our roundup of the best Fujifilm camera options for creators who want stunning image quality, reliable performance, and features that make shooting effortless and fun. Whether you are a beginner exploring photography, a traveler capturing memories, or a content creator filming high-quality videos, we've selected top-rated Fujifilm cameras that combine innovation, portability, and beautiful color science. We will break down each model's key specs, including sensor performance, video capability, autofocus system, design, and usability, so you can find the perfect fit for your needs. Don't forget to check the description box below for the latest deals. Let's dive in and find the ideal Fujifilm camera for you. The first on the list is the Fujifilm XM5. The XM5 is designed for creators who want portability without compromising quality. With its 26.1 megapixel APS-C X-Trans sensor, compact rangefinder-style body, and advanced film simulation modes, this camera delivers impressive results in a lightweight package. The sensor captures rich colors and fine details, making it perfect for street photography, travel shots, and daily content creation. Thanks to Fujifilm's legendary color science, images come out vibrant and cinematic straight from the camera, reducing the need for heavy editing. Video creators will appreciate its ability to record crisp 4K footage with excellent dynamic range. The fast hybrid autofocus system keeps subjects sharp, even when they're moving quickly. This makes the XM5 ideal for vlogging, handheld shooting, and on-the-go filming. Its flip screen design allows easy framing for selfies and videos, while the intuitive controls make it beginner-friendly yet powerful enough for experienced users. The body feels solid yet extremely portable, allowing you to carry it all day without fatigue. Wireless connectivity makes file transfer quick and convenient, which is helpful for social media creators who want to post content instantly. Battery life is reliable for a full day of shooting, and the overall design encourages creativity with its minimal yet elegant control layout. Overall, the XM5 is a fantastic entry point into Fujifilm's ecosystem, offering excellent image quality, portability, and smart features for creators on the move. Next up is the Fujifilm XE5. The XE5 is built for photographers who appreciate a classic design with modern performance. Featuring a high-resolution X-Trans CMOS sensor, fast phase detection autofocus, and premium aluminum build, this camera combines vintage charm with cutting-edge technology. The image quality is exceptional, producing detailed photos with beautiful tonal range and accurate colors that Fujifilm cameras are known for. Its autofocus system quickly locks onto subjects, whether you're capturing portraits, street scenes, or wildlife. The electronic viewfinder provides a bright, clear preview, helping you compose shots precisely even in bright sunlight. The tactile dials on top give photographers direct control over shutter speed and exposure, creating a satisfying hands-on shooting experience. For video enthusiasts, the XE5 records high-quality footage with reliable stabilization and smooth focus transitions. The compact design makes it easy to carry, yet the metal construction ensures durability. With Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connectivity, sharing images becomes seamless. The battery performance supports long sessions, and the ergonomic grip ensures comfort during extended shoots. This camera appeals especially to photographers who love traditional controls combined with digital convenience. It encourages creativity and offers professional-grade output in a compact body. Overall, the XE5 is a stylish, powerful mirrorless camera that blends heritage design with modern performance for serious photographers. Next up, we have the Fujifilm X-T32 III. The X-T32 III is a performance powerhouse packed into a small body. It comes with a 26.1 megapixel back-illuminated sensor, high-speed image processor, and advanced subject tracking autofocus that together deliver outstanding speed and clarity. This camera is perfect for action shots, wildlife photography, and fast-paced environments where every second matters. The burst shooting capability allows you to capture multiple frames quickly without losing detail. Autofocus tracking works remarkably well for moving subjects, ensuring sharp results even in challenging conditions. Its compact DSLR-style design provides a comfortable grip and intuitive control layout, making it easy to adjust settings on the fly. Video performance is equally impressive, offering high-resolution recording with professional color profiles and smooth frame rates. The tilting screen adds flexibility for creative angles, and the electronic viewfinder offers precise framing. Despite its small size, the build quality feels solid and reliable. Connectivity features allow easy transfer of files, and the long battery life supports long photography sessions. The film simulation modes further enhance creative possibilities, allowing photographers to achieve unique looks straight out of the camera. Overall, the XT32-3 is an excellent choice for creators who need speed, accuracy, and versatility in a compact mirrorless camera. Next up is the Fujifilm Instax Mini Evo. The Instax Mini Evo offers a completely different and fun photography experience. With its instant photo printing capability, creative lens and film effects, and retro-inspired design, this camera blends digital convenience with the charm of instant prints. It allows users to capture images digitally and print their favorites instantly, making it perfect for parties, travel memories, and creative projects. The variety of lens effects and film styles encourages experimentation, allowing you to create unique looks with every shot. The hybrid system lets you preview photos before printing, which reduces wasted prints and adds flexibility. Its compact size and lightweight design make it extremely portable and easy to carry anywhere. The camera connects to a smartphone, allowing users to print images directly from their gallery. This adds versatility beyond just camera use. The controls are simple and intuitive, making it accessible for beginners while still being enjoyable for experienced photographers. Battery life is sufficient for long outings, and the overall user experience is centered around creativity and fun rather than technical complexity. Overall, the Instax Mini Evo is perfect for those who want instant memories, creative effects, and a playful photography experience. The last one on our list is the Fujifilm XS20. The XS20 is a feature-rich camera designed for both photographers and videographers. It boasts a high-capacity battery for extended shooting, in-body image stabilization, and advanced subject detection autofocus that together make it a reliable tool for professional content creation. The sensor delivers outstanding image clarity, while the stabilization ensures sharp handheld shots even in low light. Video capabilities are exceptional, offering high-quality recording with smooth motion and accurate colors. The fully articulating screen makes it ideal for vloggers and filmmakers who need flexible framing options. Autofocus tracking works brilliantly for people, animals, and moving objects, keeping subjects consistently sharp. The XS20 truly bridges the gap between still photography and video production. So that's it for the best Fujifilm cameras you can choose for your photography and video needs. If this video helped you, please give it a like and subscribe for more helpful guides like this one. All product links are in the description below. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay connected.